I'm not 100% sure where we are, but maybe there's a clue around. I think we're at Avengers campus. See it? Jet? Cool. Just hanging by the Avengers campus. So cool. The Avengers Vault. All these things you can buy, you've seen in the movies. Cool ears. Everything you want to know about Spider-Man.
Hey everyone, welcome to Avengers Campus. Oh, popcorn! I want popcorn. See ya! Whoa, that's a whole-size pretzel. Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. And might have stepped on some actual nails. Ouch. Hey!
So it's nighttime and I kind of lost myself. Where could I be? Avengers campus?